Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to change Facebook account on Monopoly Go. So if you want to go ahead and try to change the Facebook account that is currently linked on your Monopoly Go, then you're onto the right tutorial. So as you can see in here, this is how the game works. You'll have to click onto the go button to roll in the dice and to move in the icon across the board. So for you to be able to change the Facebook that is linked to this, just click onto the three horizontal lines onto the upper part of the screen. So right after you click onto that, head over to settings so that you should get redirected onto another pop-up screen. So you need to click onto connect account for that so that you should be able to see the Facebook icon in there. Just click onto disconnect if you're connected to an account already so that there would be an option for you if you will go out of the app then log back in again. There will be an option for you to type in the Facebook that you want to go ahead and try to change the account. So you'll just need to type in the Facebook details for that and log in so that you could go ahead and successfully change the Facebook account on your Monopoly Go. And that's just basically it for that. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.